What's good, YouTube boys and girls? We are here back at it again. Day 38 of becoming a profitable trader. Today is Tuesday, March 31, 2026, the last day before the month is over. So what a fucking month, guys. What a fucking month. March have been a good month. It's just price have been acting so weird in the middle of March, especially on the third week. If this price action is gonna continue all the way to April, guys, we're fucked. We're definitely fucked. It's gonna make a lot of traders quit. Remember, I was trying to make a proper challenge journey, which I fucking blow my account with a week. I just blow my account with a week. I don't think I'm gonna start that challenge for 2 months, guys. I think I'm gonna take a break for April to see how price action is gonna be. Then maybe on May we'll start the profit challenge and try to pass it. But as of now, we're just gonna trade on the live account that we have. So far I didn't take any trade on gold, but I'm seeing a potential setup at the moment. I just need an inverse and fair value gap and retest. Then hopefully we'll enter, targeting the draws of liquidity to the downside. And so far, guys, I just figured gold is really climbing to the upside, even if it's wrinkly. Gold is absolutely going to the upside, but we're going to see how they're gonna turn out. And also today, I think we have a high impact news, which will be favorably to be taken. When we go to NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen, NASDAQ is bullish. We made a consolidation, but I want to take a bearish trade, guys. So guys, I'll give you the trade recap on whether on any pairs trade that I took. Okay, if I take on NQ, I'll give you a recap. Whether it is on gold, I'll give you a recap, the confluences and the reason why I took that trade. So guys, we are almost 2 days away from day 14. Hopefully we'll catch up that day. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on day 39. Peace out.
Order filled.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive in on a trade recap on the trade that we took today on NASDAQ. So as you guys can see on the trade video before, on the trade recap that I gave you all, we got stopped out at break even. But even though, let's see what makes me take this trade. So before market opens, as you guys can see, we actually have a significant bullish trend to the upside, which was absolutely perfect. And this actually recovery happened during the Australian session. As you guys can know, there's 4 sessions: Sydney, Asia, London, and New York. So this recovery was the reason why price actually started to go to the upside, as you guys can see. But we actually was consolidating for the fucking 4 or 5 hours, starting from Asia all the way to London or US pre-market. But the thing that takes my attention to take this trade was, one, this inversion, fair value gap, and retest. Once we inverse this gap and retest it and make a displacement to the upside, taking the presented high right here, which is a London high, that was a big significant confluence that made me want to take the trade. But I was I need more confluences, which was, is this a really market structure change? Because if it is a market structure change, guys, we will make a higher highs, which we was actually doing, but on a week, I think it's like a 5-minute wick. It was a 5-minute wick. So to be specific, let's go to the 15 minutes. So my draws of liquidity was this wick and this wick right here on the 15 minute that have been presented, and all the way this one, which was our full TP, which price didn't want to take it out, inversed, stopped this out. You see, it's March price action is fucking stupid, doesn't have no momentum, all of that, guys. So that was one. Second was this fair value gap tap in. Most of y'all peoples or traders, you guys probably entered longs here. I'm pretty damn short, or shorts here, because you didn't have any kind of patience. How can you enter longs when you go to the 15-minute? It is actually a consolidation. The only time there's a market structure shift is when you make a lower low on the bearish sentiment and a higher high on the bullish sentiment. Okay, guys? So whoever take this trade, y'all dumb as fuck. I'm gonna lie. Y'all got liquidated anyways. So reversal. What do we do here, guys? The market makers are so manipulative. Look at this big ass red candle here. So a lot of traders will think this is like a big break of structure on the 1 minute, and I think price is gonna come to the downside because there are a lot of draws of liquidity, including a relative equal London and US lows, even Asia and London and US lows, all stacked right here. Unless we inverse this gap, there's no reason to take this trade, guys. So I was waiting. Okay, if we inversed it, I have no problem to take sell, because why not? But you see what we do? We respected it. We actually tapped in, bang, making a higher high with a wick. So I was just waiting one more thing. I would need a candle higher highs, not a wick, a candle, which we actually did. You see? Then I entered right here, bang, guys. Even though we got stopped out and break even, our full profit target was right here. If it got momentum, I'm not gonna lie, our full TP probably got hit. So guys, this was the reason, the confluence that I used to take this trade, a reversal, if your value got tap in, and following the trend. That's it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want me to teach you my strategy, and if you want more details about this trade recap, just make sure to email me on my business email. I will leave it down in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.